weather's right, yeah. Let's grab our boards and run, 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 run to the nearest shore. School is proud, let's go now and hail it out the door. Yeah, the waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The waves is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire, that I want to hit the spot. Cool down. The water's looking nice and blue, so blue, so bluer than the clearest sky. And the waves are fire and getting higher and better even as we speak. Yeah, don't you melt.
Nagsisilpi yung ito.
Naglamig siguro to.
Malamig daw. Maganda dito yung siyang
Ito niya.
naubos mo na?
Tara pinunutin.
Masarap daw eh.
Amo ko na yun nga. Idanan mo pa yung gana Joey Isabela ata na yun.
Ano? May ano eh, may ganyan yung anong tawag doon, yung tinatakam niya talaga na
Nam-nam namin no.
namnam namin para yung pagkain niya ng ice cream ay sulit na sulit.
Ganda na eh. Oo.